This is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to completely turn off your Nintendo Switch when you have it docked or connected to your TV. Now you do have the option to go to sleep mode right here. It says the console will now enter sleep mode and press the home button to wake it. You can also activate sleep mode by pressing quick settings and holding the home button. But maybe we want to completely turn this off for whatever reason. If we go to the front of the Nintendo Switch, we can still press down the power button. So let's do that. So if I hold this down, this is going to give me more power options. So I'm just holding it down. And you can see I have the option for sleep mode still. And then I have the option for power options down here. So let's select this, and then we have the option to turn it off. Or we can restart it, or close it. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.